Okay, so you've got your Factory Studio project built. It looks great, it's fast, and frankly you're impressed with how quickly and easily it came together. You've got your network and your remote connectivity all set up, and now it's time to deploy your project. What's the best way to do that? It's really quite simple. To start, have your project running on your server. Let me size this a little bit, move it out of the way, and let me reduce this. Next, go to Info, Project, Redundancy. Enter the IP address of the server to which you're going to want to connect. And you see that the utility provides all the command lines you're going to need. If you want to start your project up automatically, if you're going to run on a rich client, smart client, web client, whichever it's going to be, the command line is right there. So all you have to do is copy the smart client command line, highlight it, click on copy, start your Internet Explorer, and just create a shortcut that has that command line in it for the URL. Click on OK. Then when you select that shortcut, it loads up the smart client from Tatsoft. Now you can see that this client was configured to occupy the entire display on startup. But if you want to size it like any application in Factory Studio, you can just size it to the size you want. So here I've got my smart client running. Here I've got the native Factory Studio application running on the server. You see that they both operate independently. In fact, if I go ahead and generate a report here, and this one valves are red, and if I go to run the report over here as well, you'll see that it's also red. But now I'm going to change the value of the valve on the server, and I'm going to run the report again on the client. Click on Run Reports, go to the second page, and here we see that the data changed. Likewise, if I go back and run the report here on the server, it will show the new data. Changing the data from the client back and running the report here on the server again shows that the data changed the color of the valve in the report. So it's really quite simple. You want to deploy a network application using Factory Studio, use the Smart Client. It's that easy. Thanks again for allowing us to demonstrate to you one of the many features of Factory Studio, the Smart Client. For more information, feel free to contact us at www.tatsoft.com or by calling 855-TATSOFT.